Expressing concern over long delays in pronouncing judgments, the Supreme Court has today directed the Registrar Generals of all the High Courts to submit a detailed report on cases where judgments were reserved on or before 31st January this year but are still not pronounced. A bench of Justice Suryakant and Justice N. Koteshwar Singh passed the direction while hearing a plea by 4 convicts who have been waiting for years for their criminal appeals to be decided by the Jharkhand High Court. Justice Kant termed the delay very disturbing and said that courts would consider framing mandatory guidelines to prevent such situations. The court's order requires each High Court to report the total number of civil and criminal matters where judgments are pending since and before 31st January 2025, and whether these were heard by a single judge or a division bench. The petitioners in this particular case, let me tell you, all belonging to scheduled tribes or OBC communities, have been in prison for 11 to 16 years with life sentences for murder and rape. Their appeals were heard and reserved in the year 2022, but no verdicts have been delivered. Advocate Fawzia Shakil informed the court that while other cases were disposed of recently by the Jharkhand High Court, reportedly 75 criminal appeals in 1 week, the petitioner's cases still await a decision. Taking note of this, the court has also directed the Jharkhand High Court to submit a list of the 75 disposed appeals with dates when judgments were reserved. The court also issued notice on the convicts' applications for suspension of sentence, noting that they were unable to seek remission due to delay in the verdicts.